My channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing? So I'm doing a quick follow-up on the product Wonder Grow that I've been using in my hair, and I just kind of wanted you guys to see where I am. If you are checking out this video for the first time, you didn't get a chance to check out the previous video, you got the opportunity to see what the Wonder Grow looks like. This is currently my scalp. Now don't be fooled, it looks dry, but it's not. In fact, my scalp, my new growth is thoroughly moisturized from the product. So as you guys can see, I see some growth happening there. There is just a little bit of growth from using this product. Remember, this product serves as a moisturizer. This is the back taper part of my hair. As you guys can see, the taper parts were getting a little bit thicker. You can see I'm having some new growth take place in my roots. That it's not a bald area. I just want to stress that it's just the way that I have my hair braided, and some of my baby hairs I just did not braid. If you want to know what's in the product Wonder Grow, it includes vitamin E, hemp oil, and that's it pretty much. I told you guys in the initial video how to use this product. You can use it as a daily moisturizer. It's totally up to you. I did purchase mine from online at Amazon. I'm sure you can go into your beauty supply store and purchase the product as well. Online, I paid about $6.87. You do get a lot of bang for your buck. This is 12 ounces. As you guys can see, I truly have been using the product, so you can see where I've been putting my fingers down in there and getting some of the product to apply directly to my scalp. I still don't like the scent, but it is durable. The scent still continues to linger. It lingers anyway from a day or two, maybe even 3 days before you no longer can smell it. So that concludes my follow-up for today. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.